Hi Prepsters, this is Ola with Pandemic Prepsters, and today I am showing you a wonderful trick to make delicious apple slices in a variety of colors and styles. And the magic key is Jell-O. So you can do sugar-free or the regular variety, it doesn't matter. Here I have watermelon flavored, and I have my apple slices, and I'm just going to sprinkle. Now, if you do have something like one of these shakers, feel free to go ahead and use one of those. Those are really nice to have. And then I'm just going to shake this on. Now, the nice thing about these is you could freeze dry these, or you can even dehydrate these. You do want to dip your apples into lemon juice, water combo to be able to stop them from oxidizing. You can use citric acid as well, but that's not my favorite thing. I like just the lemon water, works really well. And there you go. You simply sprinkle this on and throw it either in your dehydrator or freeze dryer. These will be going in freeze dryer. And this is what the line turned out like. Is that beautiful? And strawberry. And of course, my good old-fashioned cinnamon sugar. And I'm experimenting right now with adding caramel as well. So you've got to give these a shot. These are really good, delicious, great for gift giving. Don't forget to get I get these at PackFreshUSA.com. And these are the 5 ml. They have either silver clear or black clear. Obviously, mine are black clear. These look beautiful for a holiday presentation. These will be gifts for coworkers and for friends and neighbors. And they are so good. You've got to put Jell-O apples into your variety of stuff for your freeze dryer or dehydrator, one or the other. But of course, these are freeze dried. From the Pandemic Prepsters, we hope you have a wonderful day and a better tomorrow.